Number 4 is confidence. It's hard to have confidence when you're just starting because you're doing something new for the first time. So we've all heard the saying, fake it until you make it. And we've probably heard both sides of the argument. And to me, if somebody asked me if faking it till you make it is a good thing, my question is, fake what? So it really depends on what aspect of it. If you don't have confidence, it might be good to fake your confidence until you. I don't know how you can fake confidence, but you need to just do it. You'll get confident over time just by doing it. You don't have to be confident the first time, but you want to be as confident as you can. So if you have, here's a good way to do this. If you're like me, you don't feel the same way all day and every single day. There's times of the day you may feel more confident than others. There may be things that you can do in your day that make you feel more confident. Like if you get up and do yoga or stretch or go for a walk or a jog or something like that, you most likely will feel more confident after you do something like that, because it takes takes a little bit of the stress. It wears your body down just a little bit and take that edge off your brain. It does for me, anyways. So if I am feeling not so confident, I need to do something that requires confidence. Working out, doing yoga, something like that really makes me feel. I always feel way better afterwards. So that would be a good time to do it. So think about stuff like that. Even just doing 10 push-ups or some sit-ups, something like that, or talking to a friend. If you have to make a phone call and to a potential client and you're nervous about it, call a friend or your relative first. Talk to them on the phone. If you're just speaking for the first time that day, maybe to a potential client is not the first word you should be saying for that day. You want to have spoken to somebody throughout the day first. So little things like that can actually help. So have confidence one way or the other. And if you don't have a lot of confidence, pick the time of the day where you have the most confidence. But lack of confidence is definitely a mistake that beginner bookkeepers make, or they're lacking that quality that comes over time, and it's normal.